Ko Radhe Radhe. So today my topic is can't wake up early in the morning. Okay, as we are now, the generation is nowadays students of the coming generation or of the ongoing generations are facing from this problem a lot. So I'm here to give you a few steps to say your mind while when at the time your mind gives this message to you that I can't wake up early in the morning. At the same moment, the four messages I have come, I have brought for you, the four messages I have brought for you, that you can use at the same time to your mind, so that you can get a quick motivation and wake up from your bed. And the point was that you have to tell your mind that this is not a physical weakness. Means your mind is sending you message, just wait for a 5 minute and then you will wake up. Then you have to tell why I should wake up for 5 minutes. I am totally fit and fine, I have to wake up just now. And the second thing, if somehow your minds try to uh, manage you, overcome you once more by giving some other excuses, then you have to tell your mind the pleasure of extra sleep is a trap. Okay, that the things which your mind is trying to say from you, that just wait for 5 minutes, then I will wake up. You have to understand that this is not a this is a trap. If you will listen to your mind, then your if you will listen to your mind, your 5 minutes will converted into your 5 minutes will gets converted in the uh, hours, and and didn't even come to know when your morning passes. So you have to understand this. Now the second thing is that being a spiritual practice and early morning have a deep connection. If you want if being a spiritual in order to continue a spiritual path, you have to be wake up early in the morning. To continue a spiritual path, you have to wake up early in the morning, because spirituality have a deep connection from morning, that is Amrit Bela, as we all are known. Now the fourth point is uh, practice means training the mind. Okay, the second thing is practice means training the mind. Once you are getting to know about the new knowledge, new things, you are just focusing on your task. And remember one thing always, that a day without sleep, a day a morning without any aim is just a morning. It simply shows you are not living, you are just passing your days, you are not living. So if you are living, then you must have some strong goal, and you have to wake up for that purpose, and you have to use your whole energy to getting to achieving that particular purpose. Radhe Radhe. Thank you so much. If you like this video, like and comment.